Peace and blessings, kings and queens. How are you guys doing today? Good morning, grand rising to you and yours. I pray that you had a restful sleep. I pray that all is in divine order. I pray for your peace and your happiness. And today, what I want to do is share with you the proper way to wash your vegetables, but I also want to show you what you should drink the first thing in the morning when you rise. The reason why we should drink warm liquids is because our body has gone through a 6 to 8 hour fast. So you don't want to just start putting harsh chemicals and carbohydrates, heavy, thick foods in your body, in your system. Give it a chance to, to warm up, to adjust to what it is that you're going to put it through for the day and what you're going to feed it. So I start with a detox tea. And that's just my regular detox tea bag. But I usually put a lot of things in it like cinnamon, turmeric, ginger, lemon, and honey, and also apple cider vinegar. All of those things, when used together, are good for parasites. They're good for circulation. Oh, and sometimes a dash of cayenne pepper. And it really, really gets your circulation going. It's good for your skin. It's good for energy, and it's good for arthritis, and muscle joints and pains, because I suffer from arthritis in my neck. So it really, really helps me, and I want this recipe to help you as well. So whatever your ailments are, email me, let me know what it is you're trying to do. Gain weight, lose weight, clear up your skin, get your hair thicker, your nails stronger, your skin more soft and supple, or you want to gain flexibility, or you want some quick recipes to make while you're on the go, detox drinks, smoothies, teas, whatever they are, I got you, okay? So I'm just going to show you a couple of things that I have here, and cheers to you once again. So grateful for another day of life. How about you? So what I do is the proper way, and if you ever go to a bar or a lounge, and you tell them that you want lemon in your water. Lemon has more antioxidants than an orange. It has more vitamin C than an orange, actually. I said that on Good Day New York, actually, if you remember. But anyway, never drop the lemon in your water because it's dirty. Their hands are on it. The bartenders are touching money, people, drinks, utensils, a whole bunch of stuff. So you don't want that in your water. So what you want to do at home is make sure that you are cutting slicing your lemon. And also have grapefruit in the morning because it's good for high cholesterol. Of course, an apple a day, you know why it keeps the doctor away, because the fiber pushes out the junk and the gook from our system, from our colon. So an apple a day is also good for your teeth. After you eat it, your teeth feel really, really clean. Next time you eat an apple, you'll think about me. Also, kiwi is good for vitamin C. I'm not a huge fan, but every now and again, I'll switch it up. Also, of course, mango is filled with lots of vitamin C. It's really delicious, as you know. You can put it in your juices, your smoothies, or just eat it like it is. And strawberries are also filled with a lot of vitamin C as well. So how I wash the strawberries is I do a little warm water, just like so. And I'll put the lemon in here. I had it soaking for a while already. But what I'll do is put the lemon inside and just squirt that all around like that. And let it soak for about 30 seconds, right? You let that soak for about 30 seconds, and you put in the apple, you put in the whatever else it is that you have. And if you want to wash your lemon, you got to wash your lemon as well, because you're going to be putting it in your drink. So you put that together, warm water, let that soak for about, like I said, 30 seconds to 45 seconds. You don't want the strawberries to get too soft. So you want to take it out really quick after it's done. See, it's already getting really soft because the water was warm. So what you want to do is, just like your face when you wash your face in the morning, really, really hot to open your pores. What you want to do is make it really, really cold to close back the skin on the vegetables and make it ripe again. Okay? Delicious. So, ladies and gentlemen, that is how you wash your fruit. Put a lemon in there, drain it, right? You want to drain it really, really good. And what you want to do is, after that, take a paper towel and just dab it like that. Dab it like so, and now you're all set to go. You can put it in your juices, your salads, your drinks, or just eat it throughout the day. It's a great snack, as you know. Also, like I told you, eat a grapefruit a day. Keeps cholesterol down. It's also really good. I like pink grapefruit. I don't really like the white grapefruit. Mango, of course, as you know, is already good. And for my avocado lovers out there, delicious. So now that the lemon is soaked inside the bowl, what you want to do now is simply just slice it up. Watch those fingers. And just put it in your glass for your water, right? Squeeze it in there and simply drink it throughout the day. So now that my tea is already made, just pour that right in there. Of course, it's warm, it's not hot. You don't want to break the glass. And that makes a delicious beverage while you are at home, working on the laptop, working on your goals, sending those emails, or you can just take it in the car or wherever you are. So cheers to you and yours, beloved. You are so worthy of living a lifestyle that you love in every way. But it first starts with detoxifying your mind, your body. You know what I'm saying? And that will clear the way for the things to get to you in abundance, to your bank account. Believe it or not, you have to have a healthy mindset, mentally and spiritually, so that the physical blessings can manifest into your life. Trust and believe. All right. If you need a recipe or any other detox drink recipes or any other questions, feel free to inbox me or send me an email at fitmentals@gmail.com. Peace and love to you and yours. Thank you for stopping by.